Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Caroline Bimbo Afolalu, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple recipe of vanilla smoothie. You have some milk, you can use yogurt, drinking yogurt, and I've got the vanilla shakes, milk powder, and I've got some strawberries. I'm going to use about 5, 6, maximum 7 strawberries, but it's up to you the quantity you want. So this is 150 ml of milk. You can use water, but milk is richer, and the milk powder. So I'm going to use 1 packet, which is about 29 or 30 grams. You can use 2 if you want yours to be very thick. And I'm going to pour the milk in the blending bottle. If you don't have the measuring jug, the blending bottle that I've got, the S-Boy, already has the measurements. So I've got the milk in there. So add the powder. If you don't have a blender, you can use a whisk to whisk this together, and then squash in your strawberries. So take the tail off the strawberries and then chop into bite sizes. They are quite soft, so I'm chopping them into about 3 or 4. Put them in your bottles, bottle. I'm going to use the last one for my topping, like a small decoration. Then on the personal blender, you put the blade in. I'm using these recipes to demonstrate the personal blenders that you can take on the go. So I'm going to flip that over, put the blade in the motor. Then twist it and then blend. Quite quick to blend because strawberries are very soft. I'm done. So give it a quick shake and take the blending motor cap off. And if you prefer, you can take this on the go using your drinking lid. So just lock your drinking blender bottle and off you go. Or I'm going to demonstrate with a video to show you what we've done in a clear glass. You see, I've got a full glass from that recipe. So that's 6 of the strawberries. I've got the 1 pack of the milk powder, the vanilla shake powder, and the 150 ml of milk. Enjoy. Lovely. See you again in my next video, and until then, goodbye.